Good evening. Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss JD for another episode of our daily stock market insights. Today is a Friday, 12 p.m. It's June 30. Now, in this video, guys, I just found this article which is going to be exciting, not just for the stocks involved here, but also for what is going to be my outlook or our outlook of the Philippines right after this major project is completed. Okay, so just hang in there. We'll talk more about it. But for now, I'm inviting everyone, if this is your first time to watch my video, feel free to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always updated. And sa mga nakakita ng mga comments, notice most of our viewers here, they drop a comment, nagre-request sila ng mga stocks nila na gusto ipa-review. Please do the same. I am prioritizing the stocks of those people who made a request. So, yan ang i-cover natin today. But before I start, gusto ko muna i-cite itong article na nakita ko, which is really interesting, but a bit of old news. It was posted June 2nd from the Billionario website. This is related to the subway project of the country. So, ito, na-intriga lang ako kasi these stocks are mostly requested in our channel. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na sila na talaga, okay? Bale, magpa-participate itong si DMCI, MWIDE, and some other firms in building the subway tunnel or I don't know, contract package, okay? Parang tatlong contract package ito that they will be participating or that is currently on bidding, right? So, dito sa contract package na to, um, ang ibibuild nila is, of course, this is the construction of Kalayaan and BGC underground stations along with the tunnel works. So, si DMCI andito, ang site ko lang ang kilala ko ha. May mga Japanese firms MegaWide andito din, di ba? So, EEI, check ko lang kung si EEI may stock kasi si EEI. Ayan, EEI. Yan, part din sila ng nag-bid. Ayan, EEI Corporation. So, that's for contract package 105 to build the tunnel for Kalayaan and BGC Underground. Contract package 108, ito naman ang ibibuild nila, Lawton and Senate Department of Education underground stations. Grabe, abot pala to ng ano. Saan ba tong Senate Department of Education underground stations? Hindi ko alam kung saan banda yan. Lawton. Parang sa Manila area to. Ang nagbid dito, MegaWide. Andito si MegaWide. Okay, so dalawa kay MegaWide. Next is, that's 108. Sino sa 109? There's a deadline for bid submissions of 105, 108, and 109 is set for August 31. Ito pala, 109. DOTR also noted that Fujita DMCI, and dito si DMCI MegaWide, and dito din, in participating in the bidding for 109, which involves construction of Ninoy Aquino International Airport, Terminal 3 Station, and tunnel works. Okay, so tatlong potential projects. Present sa tatlo si MegaWide at present sa dalawa si DMCI. So, yan ang ating aabangan. At the moment, hindi yan guarantee na sila mananalo ha. Pero, really interesting na nakasali sila dyan and hopefully kahit man lang, no, isa doon, isa, dalawa doon makuha nila. Either of the two. Kasi DMCI or DMC and MWide, alam ko madalas nyo nire-request yan eh. Personally, I'm in MegaWide. So, kapag nakakakuha nila yung isa lang dyan, at least definitely nakikita ko aakyat na tong MegaWide na to. Okay, so umpisa natin sa mga request nyo muna and wow, madami ngayon. Kung mahabang mahaba ito, I have to break it into two parts, okay? I-label ko na lang yan. Umpisa muna natin sa PSEI. The index, so nakatungtong tayo sa MA20 line for what? 3 days. Pero today, sabi ko naman sa inyo guys, medyo mag-ingat on a Friday, profit taking day normally yan pag Friday. So binalikan to, um, still at the MA20 pero ang ano ko lang dyan is because solid kasi yung pag-drop ng red niya, wala man lang wick talagang binuhos pababa, ano? So saan siya pwedeng mag-stabilize ulit? Pwedeng dito ulit sa previous na ina-eye natin for support. Akala ko fully recover na siya talaga eh, no? 6,000. Pero yan may overshoot pa yan na pwedeng mangyari ha. So babaan ko na nga lang yan. What is wrong? Yan, pwedeng mga dito yan, oh. So, kapag binalikan yan, so that will still serve as our support. At the moment, yung 6,525 niya ay resistance. Alam mo, kinakabahan ko dito, yung last na outlook ko. Di ba, when I opened it on a monthly chart, overall, overall kasi moving below the MA20 line ka pa eh. Ayan o. So, sana talaga i-break niya yung MA20 na yan on a monthly chart. Still, kasi for the longest time, ang haba ng panahon. Kumbaga, the entire, since, lagay natin 2004, 2005, nag-drop lang ng 2009, 2008 to 2009. Ito yung recession eh. But right after that, non-stop, akyat, akyat. So, the world has to rest siguro. Nandito na siya. So, nag-pandemic, nag-drop, nag-recover noong 2022. At kung ito, mako-consider natin yung January na yan, no? Yan, ang recovery niya ay higher low na. Medyo delikado yan. Kung ire-respect nito na magiging, I mean, lower high na siya, baka gumawa ng lower low eh. Yan nga ang kinakatakot ko. But I really want to be wrong at this point, ha? Gusto ko maging mali sa lagay na to. Kasi gusto natin umakyat yan. Kasi I know our major stocks and the entire PSE will suffer. Kapag ang index mo nag-suffer, chances are domino effect yan even in the secondary stocks. But we'll take it a day at a time. Alright? It's just that this Friday, nag-profit taking day. Ang nearest na nakikita kong support would be the 6,400 level. Now, puntahan na natin yung mga request ninyo, DMC. Ang DMC, ganun din ang nangyari. Nag-profit taking mode ang stock na ito today. Binalikan yung support at the 9.04 at may selling. Okay? Ano kaya ang mangyayari dito? Parang gusto kong paniwalaan na ito ng support at hindi na ito mag-break. But then again, you have to be very vigilant and observe yung first 30 minutes or first hour of the day sa Lunes kasi kapag ang movement magtuloy dito on the first hour of the day, chances are magko-continue siya pababa. Okay? Gaya ng sinabi natin, pag gumawa na siya ng lower high, anong ibig sabihin ng lower high? Okay, dito kunwari yung peak niya, no? Nag-drop siya. Pag recover niya, mas mababa na kumpara sa dating high niya. So, that's your lower high. Kapag dumiretso dito at naggawa kunwari ng support dyan, then that's a lower low kasi ito yung low niya. Pag drop niya, mas mababa. So, what do we have right there? Those are the key elements of a downtrend. A lower high and a lower low. Downtrend. Pag higher high, point, ito yung first time mo, nag-akyat siya, nagawa siya ng higher high. Drop, mas mataas ng konti, nag-recover ulit, mas mataas, then that's an uptrend. higher high, higher low would be an uptrend. Okay? Sige, alam ko madami sa inyo, alam nyo na to, pero let's also consider those people who are watching this for the first time and yung bago pa lang sila kasi they would definitely appreciate this. Okay, pag akyat, tumaas, pagbaba, mas mataas ng konti, pag akyat ulit, mas mataas, then that's higher high. Okay, uptrend na yan. Compared sa dito. Okay, again, pag ang movement sa Monday mas mababa sa 9.04, ingat-ingat because that might create a continuation continuation of a downtrend. Pero but what's my outlook? I still would like to rely on that insider trades kasi hindi yan sila kumikilos na isang bagsakan. Nag-a-advance yan yung mga taong yan. Una talaga yan nag-iipon. Kumbaga, unti-unti, unti-unti. And then, until such time na hinog na pwede nang umakyat. But that's gonna happen really soon. Okay? Ang sunod natin na stock ay si GMA7. Oh, in fairness, si GMA7, you had your nice green candlestick on the 29th. Today may continuation, mas konti. Pero, ang kagandahan is we are triggering the upper Bollinger Band. Pag nag-trigger tayo, you know what happens right after, right? It continues in that direction. Tingnan nyo ang nangyari dito. Triggered tayo dito, tuloy-tuloy, tuloy-tuloy, tuloy. Okay? But I'm not saying na i-replicate niya yan kaagad. Pero magtutuloy, babalikan yung previous na support, aakyat ulit. Diba? Gagawa ulit siya ng higher high at higher low. So, that's our outlook at the moment. Pwedeng may continuation for how many days? Okay? Saan natin pupuntahan yung sunod na resistance? Magwi-weekly lang ako para makita ko. Okay. At the moment, kita mo layo pa oh. Dito muna tayo. Okay? Ang clear, no? Sa mga nakakaintindi ng support resistance, ang support or our resistance would mean may consolidation sa area niya. And since we're moving below this level, ibig sabihin, pag approach niya dyan, magiging resistance yan. Okay? Dahil nandito tayo sa babae. Pero what happened this week is really promising kasi isang nice green engulfing candlestick. Right? Actually, may ano ka na dito eh. Ito na yung first signal mo. Pero hindi yan automatic. Kailangan mo ng confirmation. May first two mo, pero medyo konti lang ng weekly chart tayo ha. Ang konti ng volumes, kaya siguro ang bagal ng movement. Ito, same pa rin, hindi pa naman full yung volume mo. Ang liit pa rin ang volume. Kaya hindi pa yan sinasabing tutuloy akyat-akyat. May days pa or may weeks pa yan na mag-pull back kasi posibleng magpa-profit take. So right now, on a weekly chart, I would like to plot 8.60 as our support. Just entertain the fact that on your way up, may mga profit-taking days yan. Especially because ito, volume's not that hindi pa na-establish yung volume. Okay, so at least if you're looking at investing in GMA7 for the long haul, bear in mind that we're starting to recover slowly. Okay? Kasi wala pa volume. So, if you wanna get in, pwede ka na unti-unting magpasok. Right? Kasi sa mga nakasunod nito, ang GMA7 is one of the stocks that do give out very promising dividend yield. And imagine na saan tayo. O, diba? Ang laki ng binagsak eh. O, 9 something lang tayo pero at 1.16 pesos siya. Okay, tingnan nyo rin yung kanilang revenue. Ito yung na-mention ko, I think, isang beses. Slow start sila no 2023. But, yeah, you have to weigh their fundamentals and financials. That could be the reason bakit sila bumagsak, ano? Yung 2022 nila, minus 27. Alam mo, ang feeling ko nga dito, eventually, ang market share ng television in terms of revenue, kasi saan ba ang source nila ng revenue? Advertising. Kung ako isang kumpanya at magpapa-advertise ako, saan ba ako magpapa-advertise ngayon? Sa social media ba o sa TV? I know for a fact that majority of people are now embracing social media. I'd rather allocate my funds for advertising dito sa social media than in TV. So that's the other thing you can also look into. That could be the reason why this year started slow. 'Di ba? Yung revenue nila medyo mababa kasi yung mga big players na mga big companies, they might be reallocating their funds to social media advertising. So that's one thing, okay? At the moment, support na nakikita ko is at the MA20 line. Na-plot ko na yun kanina, no? Nabura ko lang. Right. So, ito yung resistance. Resistance niya, 1020. Okay? At dito tayo sa 8.58 area, 8.63 area as our support. So, tansyahin nyo na. Again, study pa rin kayo ng fundamentals, please, because that will help you determine which stock to engage in. Just commit to stocks na solid ang fundamentals. Yes, eventually, pag magaling na kayo lahat, you can trade secondary stocks, may mga growth stocks. Pero at this point, I highly recommend to focus on companies na strong muna fundamentals para at least kahit papano you can sleep soundly at night kahit may mag-negative man yung company na yan, alam mo, nababalik siya. For instance, Globe, PLDT. Bagsak sila. I'm in Globe. Bagsak ang Globe, but am I worried? No. Because I know the company is very strong, right? So those things you can consider. Nickel. Uy, nangyari. Nickel. Wrong spelling. Wrong spelling. NIKL. Tama? Oo. PSE. Okay, good. Um, let's check this one out. Nasa weekly ako. This week is a promising week because we ended green. Na punta tayo sa daily. Okay. Ito ang support. Support ko. Okay, yan. That's the support. 5.76. On a daily chart, my big potential because for the past 4 days, we were just sitting at the MA20. Okay? So, first area of support niya is 5.89. Pag bumagsak dyan, may malapit kang support at 5.76. Volume, meron na ba? Hindi pa. Kaya, pwede pa yang magsayaw-sayaw dyan sa area na yan ang stock. Gaya nito, may green kang solid pero halos binawi lang the following day. Pwedeng ganun ang mangyari because wala pang ang volume. So, it's not a guarantee na diretsohan yung akyat niya. There will be days na may magpa-profit take. Although, it's nice that we ended green today, even on a Friday. So, for those people who are looking into, let's say you like the fundamentals of this stock, slow start in Q1 this year, pero may net income, kaso 6% lower. Ito, very good. 2022, net income is 10 billion. That was 2% higher than the previous year. Okay, so those things you can consider. Okay, may dividend ba? Yes. 2.4, 2023, nakapagbigay na sila this year, but do they give out yearly once lang ba? Oo, mukha. Right, so with these things in mind, do you feel like this is a company worth investing in? Ikaw yan makakasagot. Pero in terms of technical analysis, ang nakikita ko, haggle ka na. Ang laki ng drop coming from a 7 peso level down to 5. So, in just, this year lang yan this year, you have achieved, let's say, from that point to this point, that's a 20% discount. O, di ba? Kung dito, 23% discount na yan, right? So, if you wanna take it halfway, mag-profit take ka, okay, nasa 10% siguro yan. 'Di ba? Just consider that. Hindi pa nga yan pala peak. May mas mataas pa pala ito. Pero yun lang. Of course, we don't know kung gaano niya katagal, kabilis, balikan yung mga levels na yan. But at the moment, we're sitting at a support area. So we had already foreign buying that happened today. And sige, lagyan ko na lang yung first area of resistance. Kasi may nagtatanong one time, hindi daw, nakakalimutan ko yata maglagay ng resistance sometimes. Okay. So yun, support first layer, first area of support 5.89, 5.76 if it drops. Then first area for resistance would be 6.36. Next is MWIDE. Okay, itong MWIDE nilaro to today. Okay, bakit? May week ikaw. Nung kanina, nakapag-post pa ako nito nahuli ko talaga kasi nung time na din-drop nila. Tapos after 15 minutes, nag-recover. Kita mo yon. So, binalikan ni MA20 line. So, for example, nag-post ka ng order, tapos tuloy ka lang, hindi mo binantayan. Na-hit yung order mo. 3.21. Tapos, kung nakapag-profit take ka intraday, let's say nag-intraday trade ka, that was let's say nakakuha ka dito, that was a good 3.85. People will just find this level or this type of gain intraday 3.85 attractive kung pangmalakihan ng volume nila. Pero kung mga tig 10,000 nilagay mo, 20,000, hindi yan pansinin. Sobrang barya lang yan na movement. Kaya for those people na, maintaining a smaller volume, I suggest, ipunin nyo or engage in stocks na may high um, reward or yung risk to reward, yung mataas ang reward or makapulot ka somewhere the support area. Kasi, imaginein mo, kung may 8,000 pesos, lagay natin 8,000 pesos ka na nilagay, times mo by 0.0, lagay natin 6%, that's just 480 pesos. Mababawasan ka pa ng fee. O, di ba? Tapos only to discover, yung bull run pala niya, paumpisa pa lang, di sayang na sayang lang. So, for this case, 3.21 ang ating support. And at this point, siguro pwede ka na mag-accumulate if you like the stock. I know some are not a big fan of MWIDE. Still your call, okay? Kasi at this point, tingnan natin na, alam ko medyo skewed kasi yung kanilang revenue this year kasi binenta nila yung Mactan eh. Kaya ang taas ng, I think 2022 natapos yung ano nila, di ba? Yung sale of the Mactan Airport. Tama. Kay binenta nila kay Aboitiz if I'm not mistaken. Eto, slow start this year. Negative pa sila. This is a loss of 7 million. Right? So, kaya maraming conservative yung outlook and kay MWIDE. Pero, abangan natin yung kanilang result ng bidding for the project ng subway. Right? So, Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam, kapag nakakita kayo ng gap, okay, gap up man, gap down, normally binabalikan yung level na yan. It's just a matter of time kung kailan. So, kita nyo to, itong part na to, ay susa, itong level na to, may gap ka rin yan. So, nung binalikan siya, kita nyo, finil lang niya talaga ang gap. Tapos bumalik ulit. Di ba? Ito yung mga time na nag-X-date eh. Kaya na ganyan siya. So, there you have it. 3.21 is our support. And next stock is TEL. TEL? Still the same sentiment. Creating that support at the 1,303 level. May foreign selling ka. Pero di na tinag. May support niya pa rin dyan, no? Walang volume. So, ang gusto natin na picture is habang bumababa yung volume pababa na pababa. That means people are holding on to their positions. Walang gustong bumitaw habang bumababa. So, madami pa rin investors, ibig sabihin yan. Now, if the stock goes higher and higher, gusto natin naman paakyat yung volume. Right? Ito, habang maakyat, medyo pababa ang volume, kaya nung andito na siya, o diba, hindi siya na-sustain. Right? So, well, at this point, guys, accumulate lang kayo sa TEL. Because this one has also dropped significantly. Ay, ang ganda ng weekly chart niya. Nag-red man tayo, pero andyan pa rin siya sa above the MA20 line. So, if another green candlestick, if next week we end with a green candlestick, another good sign yan na we could be officially reversing na. Right? Yan ang kailangan natin next week. Next stock is SCC. SCC, wala masyado galaw this week. Support level pa rin tayo. So, sa mga dividend investors dyan, the stock is waiting for you. But on a daily chart, yun nyo, nasa resistance yung MA20, ayan. Pero, so kung may fluctuation man, expect na pwedeng i-revisit ang 27.45. Yun siya, before we can recover. Might take some time, wala volume eh. CLI, Cebu Land Masters Incorporated. Sikat to sa Cebu. Hahaba ng mga week, nilalaro to. Pag mahaba kasi ang week, so si Ray nagtanong in one of the comments, si CHIB for the past how many days ang haba ng, dito pala ako sa daily. Ayun, haba ng weeks. So, big sabihin yan, at one point, umabot yung presyo dito. So, ang sabi ko, na-observe ko kasi dito is maliliit yung trades. Wala gusto magbitaw o mag-sell or mag-buy. Kaya those people, siguro may 4-5 lang siguro yung nagtitrade dyan, tapos multiple times pa sila mag-trade. So, kung isang tao, twice siya mag-trade, that counts for 2. So, itong 34 trades na to, posibleng nasa 15 lang nakatao yan. Right? Multiple trades. Pwedeng ganon. So, kapag konti lang nagpa-participate kasi sa isang trade, kunwari, presyo niya ngayon 30 na. Gusto kong bumili ng 30. Walang gustong magbenta. Right? So, ang gagawin ko, para makabili ako, tataasan ko. Sige, bibilhin ko yan ng 30.50. Yun. Chances are, may bibili na yan. May magbibitaw na yan, magbebenta. So, in this day, for example, using that story, 30 pesos, ayaw magbenta. Sige, ang peak 30.70, taasan ko na nga to, 30.72 na lang. Bibili ako 30.72, sino magbebenta? Ayun, may nabenta. Kaya at one point, nag-reach yung price dyan. So, ngayon naman, may gusto gusto niya na ibenta. At not necessarily siya ha. May gusto na magbenta pero walang gustong ah, magbili sa ganyang presyo. So they would have to haggle again. Dapat mas lower ang price para may bibili. So kaya yun yung result ng mga wicks. Posible din na intraday, madami yan, madaming, alam mo yung minsan may mga grupo-grupo. Group of people with deep pockets. Sige, pagalawin natin to. Aakyat nila, akyat. Intraday, 10-minute, 5-minute chart. Alright? Tapos, pag akyat na, pagdating sa taas, yan, ibabagsak na nila yan. So, there are so many scenarios dito. Kaya, yan ang mga possible na galawan intraday. Ayan, no? Kita mo? Isang buhos lang. Hindi natin alam kung ilang trades itong equivalent ng ganito kala taas na movement. Alright, go back to CLI. Si CLI, karoon ng wick. Dito tayo sa daily chart. Interesting. Kasi ito, minsan, nagiging resistance yan eh. Kahit nandyan ka sa taas, pero slight overshoot pataas. Kaya na, pwede siyang maging resistance. Pero, pwede ito, support niya. May malapit din siyang support eh. Okay, ito na lang. Mas klaro to. Okay. This is the support for this stock, CLI, 2.55. Right? Kailangan na lang bigyan tayo ng isa pang green candlestick next week para makasabi tayo na okay, officially breaking out na siya dito ng MA20 line. Right. Ang kanyang kilos dito, okay, nag-increase siya dito, parang sideways, no? More of sideways yung galawan niya eh, the past few weeks. Ito yung area na kinikilusan niya. There you go. So, for those people na gusto range trading lang, pwede mo tong laruin. Otherwise, pasok ka na lang and then hintayin mo yung magandang level na where you can profit take. Dito pwede ka mag-take profit, pero from 2.55 to 2.78, ang liit lang yan eh. Up. Uy. Dito, for example, ano ba yan? Mali naman ito. Wait lang ah. So, hold on. 8 medyo mataas-taas din pala. So, kunwari nakapasok ka 2.55, exit ka 2.77, you have an 8.29%. Pero, yan kung mataas yung volume, yung ma-appreciate mo yan. Pero kung maliit lang nilagay mo na pera dyan, hindi yan masyado pansinin. So, what you can do, kasi may potential pa naman siyang umakyat, stay ka lang a little while kung sa sideways mo na siya. Just stay calm, relax. Hindi kailangan everyday may gagawin tayo sa ating mga stocks. Upuan mo lang siya, tapos pag nag-breakout siya, di profit take ka. Pwede 3 peso. Next niya is 3.28. Ito, medyo ambitious na to, 4.09. Might take some time bago yan balikan. Considering nasa weekly chart tayo. Next na stock is PLC. Uy, ano to? Gagawa siya ng cup and handle. Parang cup and handle eh. Tapos pag ganyan, minsan kasi pag ganito, tutuloy yan eh. ang cup and handle, tutuluyan pag nandito na siya. But for now, gagawa muna ako ng resistance dito on a weekly chart. Pero may potential to kung i-respect niya yung cup and handle na concept. At yeah, abangan lang natin to. At the moment, ito resistance, ito support. So, pwedeng within the week, lalaro siya within this level. Tapos, could be next week or the week after that, i-break out na niya. 23 trades kaya medyo mabagal yung galaw. Tingnan natin ang kanilang revenue. Oh, interesting. 109%. Strong Q1. Ay, in fairness. Di ba, this is into tourism, premium leisure. Kasi siguro, teka lang Premium Leisure Corporation. Ano yung kanilang mga, our businesses? Tingnan natin. Our businesses? Bell Corporation, ano to? Mga loto. Kanila to. Yan. So, search nyo lang yan. I think, City of Dreams. Ayan. Siyempre, pagbukas ng tourism industry, marami na ng mga pupunta sa Pilipinas at ito, definitely, ano yan. Yan. So, dependent to sa tourism industry, ang PLC. And I think, gising na ang tourism industry sa Pilipinas. So, yun guys So, support at the moment, 0.52. Resistance short term is 0.57. And this stock is trying to form a cup and handle, uh, ano yun? Cup and handle na formation. So, pag ganyan kasi potential na bullish yan. Bullish yan na formation. Okay. So, medyo mahaba-haba na yung episode na to. This is 37 minutes. I'll put a timestamp para you can jump right onto the stock that you have requested. Okay? Kasi medyo malumanay talaga ako magsalita, guys. I'm trying my best to talk fast, but what you can do is you can increase the speed to 1.25 or 1.5 para mas mabilis. But if you like this kind of voice at hindi ka naantok, carry lang as is. Alright? In the meantime, maybe I'll record part 2 by tomorrow morning for the remaining stocks. That would be All Day Ali, SMPH, Globe, Dito, and LTG. Okay, in the meantime, hope you're having a great weekend and yeah, enjoy. Bye bye for now.